you gotta be kidding me. It just left. I'm not even kidding. It was just here. But this is a good time to... Oh, wait. We can't really see the pit because it's super dark here. This is the elevator here at the Ocean Exhibit, Museum of Natural History, New York. Here it comes. Can't really see it. It's got Epco buttons, but look.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
But look what there is in the inside. That's right. Dover Impulse. Goes 2. There's the big whale over there. Now we could have people, so. Oh, turns out there's no people. Okay. Door close works, we all love that. Cat view. Nice scenic elevator. These are fixtures. Is the indicator completely burnt out, unfortunately. And we'll end things off. Oh, actually, do we have to get off here? Oh, okay, so we'll get off. I guess we'll go back up. Oh, the lights flickered. Just like at Broadway Mall. There are the big stairs. It's a really nice ocean exhibit. Sorry that's really dark. It's meant to be this way. And that's it. Actually, we'll watch it go down. Let's see if we'll be able to see this. Ow. Just hit myself. Watch this elevator go down. You can see it. You guys find this elevator equivalent to a certain Bloxwood elevator that I made? Do you guys find this very similar? Whoever comments this elevator, the elevator that I mentioned first, I will pin your comment. And there's your, this is the second floor of this elevator. See, it's got Epco buttons. It's got Epco buttons on the outside, and they were originally Dover Impulse. They just got Epco slapped on them. But this inside's still Impulse, so I'm happy to see that the Impulse is still here. So, that will be it.